Now consider this function f of x equals to 4x plus 15 over x squared minus 2x minus 15. Now, to compute the domain of this function, we have to look for the value of x that will make this function be defined. That is, we are going to focus on our denominator, because what will make this function to be undefined is when the denominator is equal to 1, 0. Once we have an expression like a over 0, this function is undefined. Hence, our focus is to make sure our denominator is not equal to 0. Now, we're going to simplify this by saying x squared plus, where's my duster? X squared minus 2x minus 15 must not be equal to 0. So we're going to factorize. We're going to factorize this. So let me factorize it very fast. I have x squared minus 2x minus 15. Factors of 15 is what? 3 and 5. Now I'm going to manipulate it, which will have like this, so that I will get minus 2 here. When you add or subtract this, is it minus 3 plus 5, or 5 minus 3, or plus 3 minus 5, or 3 plus 5? We have different options. I want to manipulate real, so I will have what? Minus 2. Will it be 3 minus 5, or 3 plus 5, or minus 3 plus 5, or 3, and which other one is left again? Minus 5. 3 minus 5, okay. 3 minus 5 is what? Minus 2. Hence, I'm going to make use of 3x minus 5x. Now, 3 times 5 is what? 15. Right? 3 times minus 5 is what? Minus 15. So, these are the factors. Factors of 15 are what? 1, 3, and 5. You look for 2. Now, when you add, you get minus, when you add or subtract, you get minus 2. Or when you multiply, you get minus 15. And the factor that suits it is 3 and minus 5. Because 3 minus 5 is minus 2, and 3 times minus 5 is minus 15. Hence, we're going to make use of this. So I have x squared plus 3x minus 5x minus 15 must not be equal to 0. And I have factorizing x out. You have x plus 3 minus 5 is a common term here. Half and enter 5 once. Half into 15 is 3. 0. Now why is here plus? Because minus 5 times x, I have minus 5x, right? And minus 5 times 3, I have minus 15. So that's why I put plus here, because minus times plus is minus. Now I have x minus 5 And what is coming here is what? X plus 3 equals to 0. Now, must not be equal to 0. Thank you. Now, I'm going to equate each bracket to this. So, x minus 5 must not be equal to 0, and x plus 3 must not be equal to 0. And hence, x must not be equal to what? 5, and x must not be equal to minus 3. So we have gotten the domain of this function. The domain of this function now is all real numbers except minus 3 and 5. When you substitute minus 3 into this function, you're going to have minus 3 all squared minus 2 times minus 3 minus 15. Minus 3 squared is 9. Minus times minus is plus. 2 times 3 is 6 minus 15. 9 plus 6 is 15, and 15 minus 15 is equal to what? 0. The same thing is applicable to 5. When you substitute 5 into this function, you also get 0. So our domain is all real numbers except minus 3 and 5. So now the interval notation of the domain can be written as from minus infinity to minus 3, negative side first, union minus 3 to 5, union 5 to infinity. Hence, this is the interval notation of the domain. I hope this is clear. Please do better to like the video, share, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you're notified whenever I go live or post my next video. See you. Bye.